You know what do we have to do when the numerators are same? Whichever is the greater number becomes the smaller fraction. Blindly, just do that. So out of 4 and 7, 7 is greater, so that will get the smaller sign. Hello all, welcome to my channel. The topics that we are going to cover today are these. If at all you want to jump to one particular topic, use the timestamp that I have given in the description below. I'm going to begin with the very first. What are like and unlike fractions? Let's see what we have. Okay, now look at these. Like fractions are those when the denominators are same in all fractions. That's it. So if at all the denominators are same, they are known as the like fractions. Look here, all the denominators are 9. So these are known as like fractions. And in unlike fractions, the denominators will be different. The numerators have got nothing to do when you have to decide whether the fractions are like fractions or unlike fractions. Keep that in mind. Let us see how to go about it. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the fractions, the given fractions over here. 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 5. Which are the denominators over here? 3 and 5. Take the LCM of these denominators. The LCM is 15. Let us see how to do this. Okay, now the LCM is 15. Okay, LCM. Oh, let me write LCM elsewhere. LCM is 15. So what do we have to do now? Make the denominators 15. How to make them 15? 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, extend this line. 5 into 3 is 15. Okay, so we got 15, 15. Put the places, the LCM. Now, whatever we multiply to the denominator, same thing we have to multiply to the numerator. Into 5 into 5, this was into 3 into 3. That's 8. Now multiply 5 upon 15 and 6 upon 15. The denominators are same. That is how we have converted these unlike fractions to like fractions. The next sum, what is the LCM? First let us write down both the 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 6. 4 and 6, the LCM is 12. We multiply all these, so we get 12. Now the LCM over here is 12. How do we make it 12? We have to make the denominators 12. 4 3s is 12 into 3 into 3. 6 2s is 12 into 2 into 2. This is it. Now just multiply them. 9 upon 12 and 2 upon 12. That's it. The last one I'm going to do a little faster. The LCM of these numbers, 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 8. The LCM is 24. So 2 upon 3 into 8 into 8 into 3 into 3. So this gives us 16 upon 24 and 9 upon 24, and this is how we have to convert into like fractions. Let's see what we have next. Okay, this is comparison of fractions. What does it mean? You have to write either the greater sign or the less than sign or equal to sign. There are two methods of doing this. The first one, I'm going to continue what we just started. First, change them into like fractions. Let us first do that. Okay, like fraction. Now first, remember one thing guys, if this is already like fractions, right? Because the denominators are already same, so we don't have to do anything. What are we going to do? When the denominators are the same, just look at the numerator. Whichever is greater is the greater fraction. The numerator 5 is greater, that's 8. So there is no steps involved in this kind of question. The second sum is extremely important because most of them just overlook it. These are not like fractions, okay? I agree, because this is 4 and this is 7. But the numerators are same. You know what do we have to do when the numerators are same? Whichever is the greater number becomes the smaller fraction. Blindly, just do that. So out of 4 and 7, 7 is greater, so that will get the smaller sign. So we have to do exactly the opposite of what we do for this. Mind you, the numerators have to be same, only then we can apply this. Question 3, let me do it here, okay, so that we have enough space. 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. The LCM is 15. 3 into 5 into 5. 5 into 3 into 3. 10 upon 15 and 9 upon 15. Okay, which is greater? Now they are like terms. Which is greater? This one is greater. So this is the greater fraction. The last one, 6 and 4, the LCM is 12, 5 upon 6, 3 upon 4. 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12. Okay, into 2 into 2, into 3 into 3. You know what I'm doing here, guys? LCM is 12, 6 into 2 will give me 12. So when I'm multiplying this by 2, this also I will multiply by 2. That's what I'm doing. This gives us 10 upon 12 on the left side and 9 upon 12 on the right. So which is greater? So we get the greater sign over here. Now there is another method in which you can find which is the greater fraction. That is known as the cross multiplication method. So what are you going to do is multiply 3 by 8 and write the answer on top of 3. Multiply 5 by 8 and write the answer on top of 5. Now where you write the answer is very important. Don't simply write over 8 3 is 24. No, you cannot do that. That will not work. So I'll show you how to do that. First is 3 into 8 is 24 and 8 into 5 is 40. Which one is greater? Yep, we got this. 3 into 7 first is 21. I will put here, and here I will put 12. Which one is greater? This side is greater. Okay, in the next one, we have to arrange the fractions in ascending or descending order. Look at the very first one, guys. What can we see? These are unlike fractions, yes, but look at the numerators. When the numerator is the same, we do exactly the opposite. That's what we just discussed. So this is the smallest fraction, 3 upon 10. 3 upon 10 is the smallest fraction, after which we get 3 upon 8. Then is 3 upon 5. And the last one is 3 upon 4. Next one is we have to arrange it in the descending order. That means the biggest fraction will come first. Now this is also already like fraction, so we don't have to do anything for it. Which is the biggest over here? This is the normal one. 5 upon 6, 5 is the greatest number. 5 upon 6 is the largest fraction, followed by 3 upon 6, 2 upon 6, and 1 upon 6. That's it. Now what happens in question number 3? We have to arrange them in the ascending order. You know what you have to do, guys? You will have to convert all the 4 fractions into like fractions and then just do the same thing. So first, this is ascending order. What is the LCM of 2, 3, 4, 8? These numbers, the denominators. The LCM is, guys, you know how to do the shortcut of LCM. 8. Look at the greatest number over here. 8. Does it come in all the tables? It comes in 2, it comes in 4, but it doesn't come in. Okay, so 8 cannot be the LCM. The next multiple of 8 is 16. 16 comes in this, yes, but it doesn't come in 3. 8 3s is 24, yes, yes. 8 3s is 24, yes. When it comes in all the tables, then the LCM is 24. Let's quickly check here. 2 1s are 2, copy 3, 2, 4. 2 1, 3, 2 1s are 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s is 24. Okay. So now I write all the fractions one below the other. Next to each other. 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 8. Now what do? We have to get the LCM was 24, right? 2 into 12 is 24. 3 into 8 is 24. 4 into 6 is 24. And 8 into 3 is 24. So now whatever we multiplied in the denominator, the same thing we do for the numerator. So this is 12 upon 24, 16 upon 24, 6 upon 24, and 9 upon 24. So how do we arrange that? It's in which order? Ascending order. 6 upon 24 ascending, 9 upon 24, 12 upon 24, 16 upon 24. The LCM of 3, 4, 2 and 6. Come on guys, think. I told you what is the shortcut of doing this LCM. The biggest number. First look at the largest number. It is 6. Does 6 come in all the tables? It comes in 2, doesn't come in 4. Next multiple of the largest number, 12. 6 2 is 12. Yes, 12, 12, 12. Yes, it comes in all. So your LCM is 12. If your school insists that you have to show the LCM, you have to do it, okay? So now the LCM is 12. So what am I going to do is 2 upon 3. Copy all the fractions first. Now make all the denominators 12. 3 4s are 12. Same number. 4 3s are 12. 2 into 6 is 12. 6 into 2 is 12. Now multiply. 8 upon 12, first one, 9 upon 12, 6 upon 12, and 10 upon 12. Are we doing ascending or descending? We are doing descending. So the largest here is 10 upon 12 is the greatest one. Then is 9 upon 12. This is 8. Okay, now I'm going to bring up a revision sheet. I want you all to try those on your own and post your answers in the comment section below. This is it. Now the major hint over here that I would want to give you is everything first convert into like fractions, and all these topics will be done by you. That's all for today. I will be uploading the next phases very soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.